Hi, this is Raksil and you're watching Raksil 777's channel, and this video is the custom ROM review of Project Blaze. Let's go to settings and hop into about phone, and you will see this type of user interface. Tap on Android version, and the Android version is 13. Move the clock to 1 o'clock position and you will get to see Android 13 logo here. You get the latest Soviet Store update from November 12th, and the SE Linux status is enforcing, which is good. You get 5th November security patch, which is good, and the ROM version is v2.1 new vision. Alright, now let's go to settings again once more, and you will see this type of user interface. Welcome to Project Blaze, and I have enabled the in setting styles. I have enabled new UI, and the new UI looks like this, the user interface. And if you set it back to old UI, it will just look like this. Okay, let's put it back to new UI styles, and here, and this is the Blaze house. Here you get customization for your device here. Okay, you get fonts here, body fonts, system fonts, icon packs. Alright, you get 4G VoLTE icons here, and in QS panel you get QS transparency settings here. Alright, here the QS transparency is enabled and it's working perfect. And in lock screens you get lock screen charging info, media cover, media artwork blur level, and UDFPS settings. Here you can pick icon for your fingerprint, and you can check out the fingerprint. It's fast and smooth, and I have enabled screen off FOD. It's working absolutely perfect. And in system you get, these are the features you get in system. Alright, now let's go back and see, and this is the CPU throttling test here. Max 186K and the average is 176K, and the minimum is 165K here. This is the Geekbench score here. Single score 735 and the multi score is 2446. Alright, now let's go to QS panel settings. These are the QS styles here. You get scan QR code, heads off. You get extra dim, caffeine, one-handed mode. You get DC dimming, high brightness mode, live caption. Alright, these are the tiles you get here, and the QS panel looks amazing, right? Did you like it or not? Just comment in the comment section. On the left side in your home screen you get Google Feed here, and it's working fine, right? It feels smooth. There is no lag feeling here. There is no lagging here. I can't see that. Alright, and in the home settings you get Pixel launcher here. You have at a glance option, and the version is 13th Pixel launcher, and theme icons is working fine. Here you can see the theme icons, it's working fine, right? And now let's go to Play Store and check it out things. And the Play Store's device is certified out of the box. That is good, right? And this is the battery stage here, and before I talk about the battery stage, my battery is damaged. Okay, my battery current capacity is only 2000 milliampere right now, so this is not the accurate stage here. For 2000 mAh, screen on time 15 hours 29 minutes, 277% consumed. Alright, and the idle drain is 4.20%, which is a little high, and screen off 1 day 8 hours 137% consumed. And now let's see in DRM info. You get security level L1, and in safety net test. Safety net test, all the profile is success, which is good for your banking. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this type of content. Always keep smiling. Goodbye.